I'm Alona, and here's my Pokemon card. It's the strongest one. And here's the words if you can't really see it. The words are so tiny on the gold one. And I have my tiny little birds. I keep this card with my stuff. On this pink thing is a scarf. Bye-bye. Wait, but before I say bye, here's my two little orange birds. I used to have two golden birds, but I'm going to waste one of them. Here's my cheetah bird. It has cheetah feathers on the side too. On the golden one, this is supposed to go with this little golden. It's running. It's back. Woohoo! Here's another bird. On these two birds' wings, they feel like wood. It's kind of hard to invent. It's like a sticker with it's a hard sticker. It feels like a hard sticker. And here's the mom for these two birds. And here's this one looks like this one, but just lighter. It's the sandbird. And this is a little red robin. It's cute. It has feathers. Look at its tail. Its feathers are soft. Also the cheetah one. So